And we are live. Good evening, everyone. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Magandang gabi po. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for spending your evening with us. This is my second live today. We truly appreciate each and every one of you joining us tonight. And for those who don't know me yet, my name is Raham. I am a registered nurse by profession in the UK and a proud wife to Jeffrey and a mom of two teenagers. And I've been living here in the United Kingdom for over 23 years. And throughout those years, I'm work in a different role within in the NHS and a private sector. So like many hardworking families, there was a season in my life when I was doing 2 to 3 jobs just to keep up financially and continue supporting my family back home. And now many of you watching can relate to that feeling. You know, your hard work, doing your best, but still feeling like you're constantly running just for survival. Then life happened. The real turning point for me come when my dad becomes seriously ill. He was in and out of the hospital for over a year, and during that time I found myself physically, emotionally, financially exhausted, and I was stressed, overwhelmed, and honestly questioning how long I could keep going like that. And that's when I realized something needed to change. I was not looking to replace nursing because I truly love caring for people, but I know I needed more option, more flexibility and more control over my time. So in February of 2024, while still working as a nurse, I decided to explore an online opportunity alongside my profession. And to be honest, I didn't have everything figured out. I was also the same, like, I don't know what I was doing. I was overwhelmed. I had doubts. And I wonder if I could really do something outside of what I had known for many years. But I was willing to learn and willing to try. And 8 months later on, I found a courage to leave my NHS job and reduce my working hours. And today I only do bank shift in a private sector, which has given me something a value so much time. Time for your family, time to travel, time to take care of myself. And honestly, I like I like the feeling of being the freedom and happier version of myself. I feel more present, more excited about the future, and grateful for the choices now I have. And one thing that I treasure most is being able to serve as a coach in our online business community and help other people, especially nurses, mom, busy professional who may be feeling exactly the way I feel once before. Because sometimes people aren't looking for a way out, they simply looking for more option, more balance in their lives without sacrificing a precious time with their loved ones. And that's why I'm so blessed and grateful to be your host tonight for the second time around today, because I truly believe that no matter where you are in life, it's never too late to learn something new. Create another stream of income and open yourself or ourselves for new possibilities. We are in a business of possibilities. And tonight, I am so grateful because I know I'm not alone tonight. I have someone with me. We're supposed to be four of us, but things, life happen, like what I said. So Sis Leah and Sis Anna can't make it tonight. But of course, kami ni Sis Aida, go pa rin, So thank you so much for tonight's um, topic is very exciting. And please sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this beautiful conversation together. So another superwoman from Netherlands, and among, I always consider her as one of my cheerleader. No other than Sis Ida. Please introduce yourself, Sis. Thank you.
Thank you for that nice introduction about me. Thank you so much. So, hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Ida. And before we begin, I just want to say thank you for being here. Years ago, I was simply a woman trying to survive. I don't want to cry. Working hard, living paycheck to paycheck, and living that was all life had to offer. Now, I'm an immigrant, a wife, a mom, and someone who knows what it's like to sacrifice, to doubt, and to start over. I didn't come from a wealth or privilege. I came from a place where every opportunity had to be fought for. That's why tonight means so much to me. I'm not here because I have a perfect life. I'm here because one decision changed the direction of my life. And if my story gives even one person hope that change is possible, then being here is worth it. So thank you for spending time with us, Sis Raham. Let's get started.
Thank you so much, Sis Ida, for sharing your story. And honestly, every time I hear yours, I still got that chills, in a good way. It's remind us that you don't have to be perfect background or know everything to create a better future. No, what I love most is how real and relatable your journey is. As a overseas foreign worker, as a mom, uh, kung kaya niya, nganong di man nato kaya, no? I hope everyone watching today feels the same encouragement. So thank you for being open with us, sis, every time. I'm sure your story will inspire many people who are still looking for the encouragement to take their very first step. Sometimes all you need is a dream, a willing heart and courage to say, maybe I can do this too. Kay tinuod lang, daghan ato ang nagsugod na wala po'y experience, daghan og doubts, daghan og questions, sa mga what if nato. And one thing that we all have in common is that we choose not to let that fear stop us. Di ba? And that's why tonight is so special because we're not here to impress anyone. We're here to inspire, encourage, and hopefully give hope to someone who has been asking themselves, where do I start? 'Di ba? We actually, because we're overwhelmed with all this information, and sometimes we asking ourselves, where do I even begin? And if they can do it, maybe I can do too. So hopefully you'll get inspired tonight, and this conversation, without further ado, let's dive into tonight's topic. No, back to basic. The first three steps that change everything for us, because sometimes the fastest way forward is to go back to the basic. And if you've been curious about starting online business, and if you've been overthinking your next step, or maybe you've been telling yourself, hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula, then this conversation is for you. And grab, coffee, water, relax, and interact with us in the comment. And let's have a beautiful conversation together tonight, no? So obviously it's only sis Ida tonight. I was actually expecting four of us, but never mind. One thing that we realize is nobody start as an expert. And wala Jimmy nagsugod na kabalumi sa tanan. We all start somewhere, and sometimes one step decision can change the direction of your life. When we first started looking for something online, we aren't searching for perfection. We are searching for possibilities to earn income online, extra income. And maybe some of you can relate. Maybe you're busy working as well. Maybe you are raising a children. Maybe you are taking care of everyone else first. And maybe deep inside, you wondering, could there be something more for you? And that's exactly why education matters, because information create awareness, and that awareness create opportunity. And sometimes all this takes hearing from somebody that open your eyes, that make you think, maybe I could do this too. And that's why we always tell people don't underestimate the small beginning, because every success story started with one small step by clicking that website. So let us ask Sis Ida, no? What was your first reaction after watching the free webinar, Sis?
Oh, I can still remember how it went. Um, my first reaction, honestly, I was blown away. Yes, I watched ordinary people from different walks of life. The Actually, the webinar is divided into two. That was 90 minutes, and half. I wasn't so interested in the first 45 minutes because it's a little bit review, or they are giving insight about how to do this business, and so I was just listening, but it doesn't absorb me, absorb so many things yet, because I was just curious, and that's why I watched the webinar. But the first part not I wasn't really I how will I describe that? Doesn't really attract me to be in this business. The first part. The second part was, so the second 45 minutes was, I was ordinary people from different walks of life. That was interesting for me. There were teachers, nurses, police officers, parents, and many others sharing how this digital business had changed their lives. You see, if you watch those people, different people, it's just like, hmm? So, but instead of getting excited, I became even more skeptical. Sorry to say that, because I'm just telling this um, honestly. I remember thinking, this is too good to be true. In fact,
Mm,
I was 200% skeptical. Is there any 200% skeptical? That was me.
mhm,
I even told myself, these people must be getting paid to say this
yeah.
thing. That was honestly what I believed at that time. So instead of joining, I became a silent investigator. I was investigating things about this business. I kept watching. One webinar became two, two became five, five became 10. Imagine that. Every webinar featured different people, different backgrounds, different stories, but there was one thing they all had in common. They weren't talking about becoming millionaires overnight.
Mm,
They were talking about getting time back with their families, paying off debts, reducing stress, and finally having hope again.
mm,
Week after week, I listened carefully because we have two webinars every week, right? So that was the time I was really digging into this digital business, because I was 200 skeptical, as what I've said. So the more I watched, the harder it became to ignore what I was seeing. I wasn't convinced yet, but for the first time, I was willing to believe that maybe. just maybe, this was real.
Mm.
That was my reaction.
Wow. Thank you for sharing that, sis. No, I think a lot of people watching right now can relate because sometimes we see opportunity but still hesitant. No, we overthink and we tell ourselves, maybe later. But at some point, we have to decide whether we're just going to keep thinking about it or gradually do something about it. You know, information alone doesn't change our lives. Action does. And let's be honest, nobody ever feel 100% ready. There will always be that fear in your heart, and there will always be a questions. Whatever business you do, tradition business, online business, there always be a risk. Who knows that your business gonna be successful? So every entrepreneur, every business minded people, they're always thinking to have that risk. And but I always believe on calculated risk. So how can you do that? Do your own diligence, do research. We are here giving you the information. We are here giving you the opportunity, but it is your responsibility that if you really wanted this business and you're still skeptical, like Sis Ida said, then it is your responsibility to do your own diligence and answer all that questions in your in your in your brain or us. We're always here. We're always here to guide you. You know, we always have what if. What if I failed? What if I'm not techie? We are not techie. What if I don't have enough experience? We don't have experience online. I've been a nurse for more than 2 decades, and that's all I think for years that I can do. I never in the marvel this dream that I can do a digital marketing or this online business. You know, what if I don't know anyone, or what if what other people will think about me? So never ending what if. But one thing I've learned is that growth happens when we stop waiting for that perfect timing because there's no perfect timing. Kung, kung naghulat ta sa perfect na ang tanan, basin dugay kaayo ta makasugod, di ba? Basig wala pa ta ka nasugod antod karon. Sometimes all we need is faith, that willingness to learn, and that courage to take that first step. Because years from now, whether you either say, I'm glad I tried, or I wish I had started sooner. Where are you in that too? For me, Sis Ida, when I saw the possibility of this business, my first reaction is I said, why did I not saw this before? I wish I started sooner. You see, but I did still started, even though my feeling was like that. So now I'm saying to myself, I'm glad I tried. I'm glad that I started more than 2 years ago. So one thing I always notice is that a lot of people think they need to know everything before they even begin, no? Murag kinahanglan expert gyud tadaan, right? But the truth is, almost everyone start as a beginner. Wala jud ta nagtaho nakabaluta sa tanan. We're not inborn to be a nurse. We're not inborn to be a teacher like Sis Ida. Sometimes what people really need is years of experience. Is that the right guidance, the right environment, the someone willing to teach them step by step. And I think that's what gives many people the confidence to finally say, sige, I'll give this a try. So for those who are watching this and thinking, I don't think I'm qualified, or I think you are, think your story can really help them. So see that it's okay to start where you are at the moment. So, ang dapat pangutanan ako ni kay Sis Ana, no, how did the training help you to get started? And even if you had a little or no prior experience, to be honest, I really love this question, no, because that reminds us that confidence usually comes after taking an action, not before, 'di ba? Daghan jud na naghulat nga mahimong confident first before they begin, but that's not this business work. When you're in the right environment, like in our community, for example, This is a community of thousands of people that who's already leveraging online. They are in the business for more, a decade now, 10 years anniversary of our community. So it means these people have been 10 years doing this business. So can you imagine, surround yourself with these people, like what they said, if you want to be successful, then surround yourself with successful people. Because whatever the way they think, they become your normal as well. So people are here to guide you. In our community, and I'm sure Sis Ida will agree with me with this, and this is our best asset, our community. Because in our community, we'll help each other. We wish everybody for success. So, whatever we learn along the way in our journey, we are willing to share that to anyone in the community. And that's the way we help each other. And to be able to have a family like that is something that is very powerful. Because no matter what business you go to, you are be doing the one, you are the responsible for your business. But it is different if you have a support system that who will guide you and who will give you that encouragement, that being a cheerleader for your accountability partner. And that's where our community is. And that make sense for anybody who nobody, anybody that have no knowledge about this business. You don't expect a perfection because you will learn along the way. And if you are listening right now, and hopefully this encourage you to stop disqualifying yourself just because you're new. Kay, ang tanan successful people once started exactly where you are. We've been like that as well. We're in a position that we're thinking, oh, what if, or oh, is it really for me? I don't know how to speak in doing live like what we do now. Before, believe me or not, I hate doing this, but now become my normal. It becomes I'm excited to do live and connect with people like Sis Ida. So for me, it's not about being perfect or being knowledgeable about the business. Any ordinary people can do this business. No matter kung sama sa giingon ni Sis Ida, kung ano man ang background mo, it doesn't matter. Because this business is created by expert for ordinary people that even if you are busy, even if you don't have a tech background, no experience online, you can still do this because we provide that training that is world class training, is updated regularly, that you can plug in 24/7, and that's why it is fit to your lifestyle, not the other way around. So whatever pocket of your time, because you are a busy mom, you are a busy working parents, you can still do this business. There is no excuse that you can't do it because the training is there for you. So, I think a lot of people don't struggle because they lack of opportunity, no? They struggle because they stuck in overthinking. And that's natural as a human being. We wait for perfect timing, the perfect plan, for confidence that magically appear, But sometimes the biggest difference between those to move forward and to those who stay the same is simply decision to take that first step. And Sis Ida, back to you now, sis. What made you decide to take the next step instead of just thinking about it?
Um, yeah, this is a nice question, a follow up question. Why, after watching the webinar? So, the truth is, it wasn't because all my questions had been answered when I was watching the webinar. It wasn't because all my fears disappeared. It
Hmm.
was because I realized that if I kept waiting for the perfect time, my life would never change. I
Hmm.
looked at my reality. I was working hard, trading my time for money, which almost everyone do,
Hmm.
missing precious moments with my family, and No matter how hard I worked, I couldn't see the freedom I truly wanted. Then I asked myself one question that changed everything. What if the biggest risk isn't trying, but staying exactly where I am? That was the question.
Mm.
That question hit me hard. I realized I had already spent years living with certainty, the certainty of exhaustion, financial pressure, and limited time. So instead of asking, what if this doesn't work? I started asking, what if this is exactly the opportunity I've been praying for? That shift changed everything. I
Mm.
decided to stop watching other people transformed their lives and finally gave myself permission to find out what was possible for me. That was it.
Mm. Wow, wow. I love that, sis, no? Because it really shows that action is what creates clarity. Dili man jud nato nakita ang whole picture before we begin, of course. Like what I said, I don't know what I was doing. I was overwhelmed. All I know is I want to earn extra money online. But then obviously when I dive into the journey, I found a gold mine. There is a possibility in this business. We started as plan B, but now I'm sure Sis Ida will say, agree with me that it is now our plan A. Because we're thinking that this is just to earn online for the side, but then as soon as you learn the possibility and what is possible in this business, he become your first your plan A. So, once we take that first step, things slowly start to fall into place. 'Di ba? And I hope everyone watching remember this. Don't let overthinking stop you from opportunity that could change your life. Sometimes all it takes is one brave decision to start a complete different journey. And believe me or not, that first step is clicking that website and learn from it. There's no obligation, there's no pressure. All you need is like looking at more information about the business. And people often think the harder part is learning the skills and learning the product or learning the system or the business itself. But when you talk to people who already gone through the journey, like us, or the people who's been more longer than us, you notice something interesting. Most of them don't say that business was the hardest part. Instead, they talk about that fear. They talk about overthinking, worrying about what other people might say, or doubting yourself. Sometimes ang kalaban mo talaga ang sarili mo, 'di ba? Then you have thinking about what other will say about me. And honestly, I think that's something almost everyone can relate to. Kahit anong opportunity pa yan. Our biggest battle is often inside our own mind. 'Di ba? Looking back, what was actually more challenging, learning the business or overcoming your own self-doubt? Parang nalilito ka actually is more on myself or more on about the business itself, 'di ba? And sometimes the self-doubt win. And that's such a powerful perspective because many people think they're only one feeling that way, pero dili jud sila. No, they're not alone. Everybody feels the same. Self doubt doesn't mean you're not capable. It simply means you are stepping into something that is unfamiliar, out of your comfort zone. And that's good thing is every small action slowly replaces that fear with experience. And eventually what used to scare you becomes something normal. And that's why taking the first step is often the biggest victory. Di ba? So, as we wrap up, I know that there are probably people watching this interview or this live who are who see themselves in our story and maybe have been following us for weeks or maybe for months or a year. We're interested, where you're curious about, uh, still waiting for that perfect time and they're still overthinking every possible outcome. The truth is, perfect timing really comes, and most people who achieve something simply decided that today was the better than someday. Diba? So I think hearing this directly from someone who already walked through the journey will mean so much. So I'm sure, Sis Ida, I'll just see if you can help me to answer this question. This is supposed to be for Sis Anna, no? What will you say to someone who's been watching from the sideline, overthinking their first step, and wondering if they should just go for it? What can you say about that person, or what is your advice, Sis?
Well, I'm a skeptical person. I think most of
Mhm.
us who join in this business, because of course, this is very unfamiliar to us and this is outside our comfort zone. So, being skeptical is very normal. But to those who are still following us until now, from day one when we started our business until now, they are just watching us behind the scenes without any hearts, any support in our during our lives or whatever. It's okay.
Mm.
But this is the right question for you. Will you just be watching us, success, our success in
Mm.
this business, or will you join with us? Because,
Mm.
as I've said, I'm 200% skeptical. Sis Riham, when she started, she doesn't know anything about this, but she said, this is the right decision. I will join. And along the way, I will learn. That's what Sis Riham. And it's the same with me too. Nobody who started in this business that have marketing skills and knows about social media. No, we don't have that all we have now, this confidence that you can see, we learn it from here, from our business community, the supportive community. I found Sis Riham because of this business. Without this business, I don't meet her on our conference when we were in Rome.
Yeah.
Without this business, I wouldn't be here talking to you, asking to come out from your comfort zone and find something better for yourself and for your family. This business is already with our business community is going to be 10 years this November, but the company that we are affiliated with existed already for 52 years. That is not a joke. 52 years in the market is not a joke. So, anyone who is just watching us, I am encouraging you to connect with us. Connect with Sis Riham or connect with me or anyone of us in the business community because this business gives us hope and this will also give you hope to achieve your dream. We are halfway. When I started this business, I was working 6 days. Imagine that. Now I'm working 3 days. You know, this is just one of the proof that this business works. I won't be throwing away my 3 days. That's a lot of euros if this business doesn't work. Sis Riham won't quit her job in one of the um, big hospital in London, in the UK, if this business doesn't work, because us people knows employees mindset think that our jobs gives us security.
Mm.
Well, that's what the opposite of what Sis Riham did and what I did too. So imagine this. from 6 days to 3 days, from being employed in an employer to a private sector, that sis Riham can always say no to the job. If you will analyze that, that's that's very unsure, because you are not tied up to a boss, to a company. But look at her, she's happy. Look at me, I'm
Mm.
happy, going away for vacation. We just bought our brand new car. We had so many travels, and we have already plans for this coming months. We have already 3 vacations already booked, and
Mm.
this is because of the business. We make things happen because we are business owners, and that makes this business possible for you too.
Mm.
Back to you, sis.
Go. Thank you so much, sis. No, what do you call this? What I'm gonna say? I think that's a perfect reminder to end this conversation. No, at the end of the day, nobody can make that decision for you. People can encourage you, can mentor you, guide you with the training. We can guide you step by step, but ikaw jud ang mo take of first action. Every successful journey start with your one decision. And if you've been watching this live and you've been waiting for a sign, maybe this is the conversation that the sign that you're looking for. So thank you so much for sharing your story today, sis. And I'm sure a lot of people will be inspired, not because everything was easy, but because we choose to start anyway. So daghang salamat. And I wish you ever more successful in your journey. And when you saying all this achievement that you have, is something that parang nakakakilig, because before we just trying to dream all of this. But because we took that first step, we are like what you said, we're halfway. So to wrap up tonight, we just want to encourage everyone who's watching that if you have been saying you don't know where to start, I'm too busy, I don't know enough, I don't have any experience. I have one latest one saying I don't have money. I'm not ready yet when I have money. Please know that many of us started exactly where you are today. I don't also have money when I started, because like what I said, my dad was in and out in the hospital. But I was determined to change my life. I didn't have everything figured out as well. We simply took one step, and that one step led us to opportunity that we never imagined is possible. Imagine where could you be in 6 months from now if you simply decide to start learning today. Because staying curious costs nothing, but not taking action could cost a life you've been dreaming about. And so, if something you heard tonight that spoke to you, if you've been looking for a way to create another stream of income, you're open to learning and see what we're doing. Send us a message, comment, or simply reach out. There is no pressure at all. There is no obligation. Just a conversation. And because maybe this is the opportunity that you've been praying for, you just need a reassurance that you're in the right path. And before we end, maraming salamat sa inyo to tune in tonight. And thank you for spending your evening with us. And Sis Ida, please invite our viewers for our live webinar happening every week, sis. Thank you.
Yes, live webinar. We have twice live webinars in a week. That is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It depends on your time zone. So here we are in Europe and you are there in the UK. It's 1 p.m., 1 a.m. in your time, and ours is 2 a.m., I think, if I'm not mistaken. So all you have to do is um, go to our website. Where are our websites? Um, where is it? Sorry.
Yeah,
We
it's
have
gone.
our website.
With
It's
our
gone.
names.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Um, they can always connect with us in any social media, right?
Yeah.
Because we are everywhere. Instagram,
Yay. There we
um,
go.
Facebook, WhatsApp, and all that. Um, why you should watch the webinar? That was my first question. Why? Well, if you are curious how this digital business could change your life, because it is clearly changed our lives. We are look at us here. Before we were so shy to be facing on the camera, facing doing this live, and now look at that. It doesn't matter if we have mistakes. Doesn't really matter. But go back to the webinar. The webinar is the best place to learn how to do this business. It is the if you are joining with us in the live, you can always ask so many questions. All your questions you can ask there, and somebody will answer those questions. That's when you join with us during the live. But unfortunately, because we are global and maybe your time zone is very different from the time zones that it is 5 p.m. PST, right? So that's different from your time. You can't make it, no worries, because the replay is available right after the live. So if you are really curious and want to learn how this business could change your life, your recent situation, check our website. It doesn't matter which website you are checking. Be there, go to our website, leave your details, and we will send you the link to be in the live webinar. Okay? It is the all of us business owners watched this webinar because this is the very important first step to be in this business. Then you can see if this business will fit for you, fit for your
Mm.
lifestyle, or are you curious enough to dig deeper into this business, into this digital business? Then you can go farther. But first, the webinar. Okay, so we have these Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we have different panelists from different walks of life, from different parts of the globe, and they will be sharing their stories, how this business changed, just like what I've watched, just like what Sis Reham have watched, and just like when I was also one of those panelists, I've shared how this business changed my life from working 6 days of exhaustion to 3 relaxing days. Okay, back to you, Sis.
Thank you so much, Sis Ida. It's a lovely evening, live evening for, you share your stories and openly and honestly to our viewers. And yes, the three basic steps that change our life, like Sis Ida said, the first step is uh, register on
The
our
webinar.
website, watch the webinar, and pay that 149. And the 149 is refundable after 30 days if you feel like this business is not for you. And people is asking me, there's one person who asked me why it's refundable. It's because that is to show that we are serious in this business. We are actually legitimate business. We don't offer that 149 refundable fee if we are not a legit business. So we give you that opportunity to think about it and see if this business fits in your lifestyle. So yes, to everyone watching daghang salamat gyud sa inyong mga suporta, and to every time you watch us is truly means a lot for us. And I truly appreciate every single one of you. So, yes, God bless everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you for the next live. I hope next time will be complete. And good
Yes.
evening. Daghang salamat sa iyo, sis. And have a good evening. Bye for now.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. Bye bye. See you next week.